Hi there, welcome to the Yellow Bee Java tutorials. So before you start the coding, you need to install JDK and Eclipse on your machine. Here in the description, I have provided you the necessary links to install these softwares. Okay then, let's jump to the coding. This is the JDK version which I am using. So very first lesson, I am not going to use Eclipse. Instead of Eclipse, I am using Ubuntu command line and text editor. Eclipse is easier, but you need to know the background process. That's why I am using command line and the text editor. First, create a file called helloworld.java. Let's do the code to print hello world. Now I am saving the file. For Windows users, you need to type this code and save the file with helloworld.java. You can see hello world Java text file here. Let's compile the Java program using Java C command. Now you can see the Java text file and compiled Java class file. So this Java class file is a file contain Java bytecode that can be executed on the Java virtual machine. Okay guys, now we are close to print the hello world. So you need to type Java space and file name of the Java class file. Don't put the extension. Here we print. This is our first lesson. See you next lesson. Thank you for watching.